This is Mike from theparkprodigy.com. On today's room review, we are over at Disney's Contemporary Resort, the Bay Lake Towers studio room, and I'm really excited to give you guys a view of what these rooms look like, because this is honestly one of my favorite hotels in Walt Disney World, not just because of the rooms, because of all the amenities that you get when you do stay at the Contemporary Resort, and we'll jump into that in a little bit, but let's get into the room review. It's a little bit awkward, but we're actually going to start on this one. We're going to start in the bathroom, because this is the first room you hit when you do come into your room, the studio here at the Contemporary. As you can see, one of the cool things about the bathrooms at the Contemporary is you actually have a full bathroom right in one. It's not one of those shower in one room, sink in the other. You do have the full bathroom here in this room at the DVC Club Studio Resort, which is, in my opinion, very convenient, something super cool about these rooms, something we haven't seen up until this point in the DVC. Now, you guys at home, if you did not know, you can purchase DVC Club rooms. You don't have to be a Disney Vacation Club member to enjoy these awesome rooms. We're gonna jump in next, and this is another cool thing about all Disney Vacation Club rooms, is they do have that kitchenette area. Now again, Contemporary Resort here at Bay Lake Tower, this is a very unique kitchen. You will not see this in any of the other DVC Club rooms, and trust me, at this point we've stayed in a bunch. It's really kind of like you have your own kitchen area, which in the other rooms, if you guys are checking out some of my other reviews, you'll see it is very, very different. They're kind of all mixed into one in the room. But you have some storage space, you got plenty of stuff to get you started, get your morning started, cook some food. You have a microwave, you do have a toaster, you got the Mr. Coffee action going on, little full mini fridge over here, groceries, all that good stuff. The other cool thing that we realized about the Contemporary is you do have some additional storage space for your groceries. This is just a very, very cool little kitchen area. Honestly, it's my favorite. This is the best kitchen area I've seen in the studios here on Disney property so far. So we're gonna keep the party going. Very simply, if you guys have been watching some of the videos, you know a big thing when it comes to the DVC Club is you do have a bunch of additional storage space. Plenty of space right in there. You see we got our luggage, but this will give you plenty of room to get those bags, get the carriages, all that good stuff out of the way. We're gonna keep the party rolling. I apologize if I'm talking fast. These rooms are really, really cool. They have so many little unique things that I do have to get a lot in a short video. This is where you're gonna spend most of your time when you're not in the parks, in the rooms. Obviously, we have the main bedding area. You have the main bed right now, but this is a 2-bedroom studio, and we'll show you in a little bit how that extra bed does come out. Other than that though, just a very, very clean, very modern, very looking room. I mean, and the subtle touches to Disney and Mickey honestly make it even cooler in my opinion, because it's not in your face, but you do have some really, really cool theming going on in the room. We'll take you guys outside real quick so you can check out this amazing view. And I will say that's one of the other cool things about the Contemporary Resort. No matter where you stay, which side you stay on, obviously here we do have the lake view, but as you can see, you're overlooking the pool. I mean, this is just an amazing view. You also do have some theme park views here at the Contemporary Resort, which you can definitely take advantage of. That's one of the coolest things, is no matter which room you stay in, you'll have an amazing view. We're gonna jump back in real quick. Before we do get to the amenities, I do want to show you how easy it is to make that second bed reappear. And again, if you guys have been watching, you already know we do all these reviews live. I'm not going to edit this out. Exactly how I am handling it is exactly how you will handle it when you stay at the Contemporary Resort. So we're just very simply going to move the cushions out of the way. And so just like that, you do have the second bed. This is obviously very, very cool. You have a lot of flexibility when it comes to the studio rooms. You guys could say this hotel is really, really cool for adults visiting Walt Disney World. At the same time, you can easily see how you could fit a family of 4, maybe even 5, depending on how you guys want to sleep into a studio room like this. So that's really the review, guys. A couple of the amenities I did want to touch on. The Disney Contemporary Resort is in walking distance to the Magic Kingdom. So that's one of the reasons why, although I said it is a great hotel for adults, right? It's also a great hotel for families, no matter if you stay here at Bay Lake or if you go over to the main hotel. It's just, you don't get that in a lot of the Disney Deluxe resorts. You can't put a price tag on location, location, location. Number 2 is the restaurants. You guys have to check out the restaurants here at the Contemporary. They're off the chart. Specifically, you got to go up and you have to go check out the California Grill. Same thing, the views are immaculate. And when fireworks do come back here at Walt Disney World, you will be able to check out the fireworks, audio, all that good stuff. Number 3, it's a monorail resort. Again, you can't put a price tag on that. It is it actually is the main Disney hotel here at Walt Disney World. It's off the chart. That's really all I have for today. I hope you guys found this room review helpful. If you are planning a Disney vacation and you do need additional help, please be sure to reach out to us at theparkprodigy.com. We would love to help you save time and money on your next vacation. But that's all the time we have for today. Again, if you did like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. You'll get the latest and greatest Disney vacation planning news. We've gone over a lot of deluxe resorts. I can't wait to jump into the value resorts, monorail resorts. We're gonna do every single hotel here at Walt Disney World. Make sure you guys know exactly what you're getting. But until next time, I'll talk to you soon.